mainly for his own survival, I think, John.
York with a hand in his face. Bang, bang! A good start for Ignite, up by 2. Kendall Brown, he's a two-way player out of Baylor. A second-round pick in 2022. Gilder with a 3.
And again, that's something that Almanza doesn't really, that's not his forte.
Gabe York, they went under the screen and he makes him pay. A timeout, Indiana. Gabe York, who used to play with these Mad Ants, giving it to his former team.
That was just determination.
York jumped the passing lane, and it's Sané. Look out! York, a hook shot through the lane. Gabe York. Good screen by Almanza. They missed him on the roll. No, they didn't. They find him in the post, and he finishes. Gabe York says, I got him. I see him. That Almanza pick and roll has been so effective. York, oh! Just mean mugging Gabe York. Get out the way. Star Ron Holland, the behind the scenes look at his Ignite journey so far. It's coming up after the break. Covered him when he was at Houston. I know how good he is.
You start questioning about his draft status.
I didn't question anything.
Oh.
I just said it's a marquee matchup because he's an NBA player. Almanza tips that one off the rim. The dump off. Gabe York. I'm surprised they're not looking at that. He took an elbow to the face. Inside Almanza, what a drop step, loses the defender. Losing his man, Gabe York. He hits another one. His 6th 3 of the night, he's got 24. I like him bringing that powerful punch off the bench, what he provides, and he's really embraced that role this season.
Well, he has, and he really adds something to the group.
Hey now, Gabe York, let him know.
I run plays for him, but certainly he knows he's got the green light.
There goes York. Give him that green light.
Watch for quick action.
And here's York with the steal. All alone. It's showtime.
I knew it, but a tech's coming now. A tech's coming.